Hey everybody, I'm Channel 9 meteorologist Keith. Monday, happy Friday. We've made it to the end of our work week and more importantly, the end of our heat wave. Some mountain showers this morning, a sign of a cold front which is sliding slowly into the high country early. It'll pass into Charlotte late this afternoon and should touch off at least a scattering of a shower and thunderstorm chance here as we work our way through the day today. So not expecting widespread storms, but some hefty downpours are possible in a few spots, especially the farther north you live. You'll find better chances up there, and may see even stronger storms just off to our east, but everybody holds a chance, at least for a gusty thunderstorm this afternoon. Better chance than we've seen in weeks. You'll see on the futurecast, again, not much out there to start out the day today, but as we head to the afternoon, around 2 o'clock, a couple cells start to fire up. They'll mainly stay north of Charlotte. We'll still have a chance here in town for at least a rumble thunder or two. High temperatures today a little cooler, just near 90, thankfully, as opposed to the near record highs we've had for the last several days. And more pleasant weather is on the way next week. The next cold front moves into our area by the end of the weekend, and that's going to drop the temperatures even more. So we're getting back to a much more comfortable weather pattern as we go our way into the next 7 days. So still close to 90 through the weekend, little to no chance of rain all weekend long. But look at this, next week, drier, cooler weather is here in the lower 80s for highs on Monday. Probably heat up again, though, by the end of next week.